guys, this is epsypt and today I'm here to show you one of the best headsets you can have for gameplay. In this case I'm gonna speak about Sennheiser GSP 500. You will have the link on the description. I think that this headset is still not available to buy. You can pre-order it, and they have three versions. They have the GSP 300, this one, and the 600. If I'm not mistaken, the two other versions are close back. I mean, these ones are my favorite choice. And why? Because they are open back. And when you have headphones that it's open back, your stage sound will be, for me, much more defined. You can hear all the sound all around you. And what I mean is that I have two reasons for this. One, it's for the sound ambient inside of the headphones, that you can hear all the sounds more clearly or with a better distance of what you are hearing. And the other thing is, when someone rings the door, somebody call me, I can always hear because this is open back. When I'm unboxing these headphones, as you can see, they were really well organized. As you can see, I'm removing them from the box. It looks really a premium product. Let me just say that in the box you have two cables. They are both jack 3.5. You connect them to the left of your headphones. As you can see, you connect it like this. And this one has the micro and the headphone separated, and the other cable has both of them connected to just one cable. So speaking about these headphones, what you've got here, as you can see, it's a closed headphone. It looks like a triangle. It makes some pressure in your ears, but you can avoid this using, for example, these head adjustments. You just put more pressure or less pressure. For example, when you are putting this in your head, you just have to see what's the best position for your head, and you just adjust it like this. Then you can adjust the side tools, and it's great. I mean, all your ears will be inside of the ear cups, which is great. But I can hear myself because, as I said, this is open back. Another thing that I did like in these headphones was this metal in the back of the headphones. You can rotate. This is for what? For rotate your ear cup to the left, and then you've got to the rotation in vertical, so you can do this and rotate like this. This is for what this metal piece works for. And I mean, in the design it's really great. The other thing that you have on these headphones is the volume adjustment, which is really great because you can adjust it. I've tried playing some games, and when I was playing, for example, Battlefield, if I want to put lower or higher, it was really easy. It's on your right ear cup, which is fantastic to add more volume or less volume. Many people are afraid of the open back doesn't have too many bass. And I must say that in these headphones I really was surprised with the sound quality, because you have extremely great low frequencies. The mediums and the high frequencies are too awesome. So I mean, all the sound that you're gonna have on these headphones will be outstanding. I'm telling you that for me it was one of the best that I've tried until now for gaming purpose. Okay, one thing that you must know is about the ear cups. The ear cups is not of leather, but it's got some foam and fabric here, and it's really soft, as you can see. And the other thing which is great that Sennheiser has implemented was the ear cups. You can remove them. Let me just remove them. As you can see, you remove it really easy. You can clean it up, you clean it, and you just have to put it on the place again, and you're done. I mean, this is really great because not many headphones can do this. And I think that in the future you can change this for leather to give another visual effect for your headphones. I'm gonna speak about this side adjustment. It's sad because they didn't put any marks here, so you cannot know if you are in the same position as the right. So if you are defining this on the right and defining this on the left, you will not know exactly what's the same, if it's on the same position. This was one of the things that I will change in these headphones. The other thing was the connection. As you can see, it's jack 3.5, and I would love this as a USB connection. Let's try the microphone sound test. Okay, so this is the sound that you will get on this microphone. As you can see, and for what I've seen, the sound quality is great. You got not so higher bass, but the medium and high frequencies are great. So I mean, I think that there's some compression in the audio, I don't know, but I'm connecting this directly to my motherboard. I'm not doing any effect on the audio. This is exactly what you will get when you are playing, for example, a game or making a record. I don't know, everything that you want. But leave me in the comments, what do you think about this microphone and what you are thinking about these headphones. Okay guys, so now that you have seen all the pros and cons of these headphones, if for my opinion, if I had to choose a gaming headset, this will probably be the one that I will choose. And why? Because it has got open back, the microphone is great, you can use it for hours and hours playing a game because it's really comfortable. You don't feel any discomfort when you are using for several hours. They are extremely, as you can see, if we put this on, just look at this head. They are extremely flexible. As you can see, it's really flexible. There's no problem with flexibility. This is a premium quality gaming headset, and if you have to choose for a premium gaming headset, I will choose this one, and for all these things that I said. There are some cons, but remember, any product can't be perfect, can't be 100% perfect. But for example, in the heads, in this part of the heads, as you can see, it's some type of fabric too, really soft. Okay, one of the things that I didn't speak about the microphone was the mute. How can you mute this? You just have to do this. If you are playing a game, for example, just put it up. You listen a click in your left ear cup. This means that it's cutting the microphone sound. If you pull down, it will start doing sound. So you have some kind of switch here inside of the headphones that will connect it or disconnect this microphone if it's up or down. So basically, this is my review for the GSP 500 from Sennheiser. I will leave the link in the description if you want to buy these headphones or pre-order them. You've got to the GSP 600, which is more higher product, but remember, it's not open back. And you've got the GSP 300, which is a cheap version of both of GSP 500 and 600. So you have many options in this gaming department of the Sennheiser, so just check it out, the link, and see for yourself. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel, follow me here on Instagram, and as always, bye bye and see you soon!